everyone, welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you for watching our videos. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we make a new video, and smash that like button. Today, my mom is going to make this yummy and healthy paneer Kathi Roll. Do you want to know how to make it? Let's go!
Today I am going to make paneer Kathi Roll. The ingredients we need: paneer around 200 grams. I already cut it into cubes. This one homemade paneer. I will show in my videos. Now we need half teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 3 tablespoon hung curd or thick curd, half a lemon, and required amount of salt. These are the ingredients we need. Now take a mixing bowl. We are going to add the ingredients: 3 tablespoon curd, and all the masalas, spices we will include. Required amount of salt, half a lemon juice, mix well as a thick batter. Now the batter is ready. We are going to marinate the paneer. Add the paneer and mix gently without breaking. Soak for 20 minutes. Now our chapati dough is ready and set aside. Now we are going to make the vegetable stuffing. The ingredients we need: cabbage and 1 big onion, 1 capsicum and 1 carrot. Everything we need to chop lengthwise. See? Then 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, required amount of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, required amount of salt. These are the ingredients we need for vegetable stuffing. After 20 minutes, now we are going to fry the paneer. Heat the pan, add little bit oil. You can use butter as well. And once the oil got heat up, add the marinated paneer. Fry well for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the paneer stuffing is ready. Now I am going to take it out. In the same pan, we are going to make the vegetable stuffing. For that, add some oil. Once the oil got heat, add the chopped vegetables and ginger garlic paste, onion, required amount of salt, and sauce well. Don't overcook the vegetables. It has to be some crunchiness. Now you can see the vegetables are sorted well, but it's not too soft. At this stage I am going to add required amount of red chili powder, some pepper, and chaat masala, Mix well and switch off the flame. Now our vegetable stuffing and paneer is ready. Meanwhile, I made chapatis. Now we are going to arrange the chapatis. Take a chapati, add some ketchup, tomato ketchup. You can use green chutney as well, but I am giving for my kids, so I am using tomato ketchup. Just spread it over. Now our vegetable stuffing. On top of that, paneer. Now we need to roll it tightly. Just hold the stuffing tightly and roll it and fold the ending. That's it. Our roll is ready. Same way I am going to make one more, but this time I am going to use garlic mayonnaise. Now you can see our paneer Kathi roll is ready. I hope you all like it.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, make sure you smash that like button and share with your friends so they know how to make this amazing dish themselves. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we make a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. See ya!